several stages in its life cycle. Number 1, drafting. Number 2, issuance. Number 3, amendment. Number 4, presentation. Number 5, examination. Number 6, payment. And number 7, termination. Number 1, drafting. That involves the filling of application form and agreement on the draft content of the LC between the exporter, importer, and the bank. The issuance, the LC is issued by the bank in favor of the exporter and is deemed issued when it leaves the issuer control and can no longer be recalled. Amendment. When an LC is issued, there is a possibility for an amendment before shipment happens. The exporter might request for an amendment, the importer can request for an amendment. This is a possibility, but it does not always happen. But it's a possibility. It could be an extension of the expiry date. It could be an extension of the latest date of shipment, but it's a possibility. It's a possibility. After shipment, documents are collected and there is presentation of documents. After shipment of the goods, documents are prepared and put together by the exporter and they are presented to the bank. Advising bank, but the name has changed. It is now called nominated bank. Nominated bank. Nominated bank. Nominated bank. Nominated bank is the bank that is nominated to collect documents from the exporter and send it to the importer. That nominated bank can also be the advising bank. It can be the exporter's bank. It can be the confirming bank. But it's the one nominated to collect documents and send it to the importer, to the importer's bank or the issuing bank. When the issuing bank receives the document or confirming bank receives the document, they review it for payment. It's called examination. Examination of the document. Examination of the document is to be done within 5 banking days. Not business day, by the way. 5 banking days. Banking day is the day that the LC is open. LC unit is open in the bank. Working day is the day that work is done. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. In some countries, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. Banking days. Working day. But calendar day involve weekend. Calendar day involve weekend. So after shipment, presentation of documents within 21 calendar days, but examination of documents and payment by the bank, it should be done within 5 banking days. 5 banking days. After examination, payment is made. If the documents are discrepant, payment will not be made. But the document can be corrected. The document can be amended so that it can become compliant and then payment is made. Letter of credit can be terminated in 3 ways. Number 1, either it is expired or you are not examining LC. You are examining document against LC. You are examining document. Remember, LC says shipment should be done on or before January 31st. You are checking the document if it was done before January 31st. LC number should be on all documents. You are checking if the number is there. Bill of lading should be issued, consigned to the bank. You are checking. So who examines document? The person that examines document is the bank. Either the issuing bank when he wants to pay, or the confirming bank when he wants to pay, or the nominated bank if nominated bank wants to negotiate. Nominated bank can negotiate. Remember, negotiation is paying the exporter ahead of when payment is due sometimes in future. LC can be terminated in 3 ways. Upon full expiry, upon full utilization, and upon cancellation by one party and acceptance by the other party. Let's look at the benefit of letter of credit to the buyer. Letter of credit benefit to the buyer can stipulate the document he wants. The buyer can stipulate the document he wants. the buyer can stipulate the document that he wants. The buyer is assured that payment will be made to the seller and his account will be debited only when presentation of all documents are called for in the LC.